Welcome friends, I am Muhammad Tahir Ahmed, your online instructor. Friend, in previous two videos, we have learned the usage of table, making table with the assistance of Bootstrap. And from this video, we will begin to learn making forms with the assistance of Bootstrap. So I go to my Notepad++ code editor and I remove all these tables. Now I go to my Chrome browser to refresh this page. So friend, now you are watching that now this page is totally blank. I go back to my Notepad++ and now I will make first the basic form. Now I make the form tag and I close it down. Now I make a div tag inside it and I give a class to this div is equal to form-group. I make a label tag inside it. Space for is equal to email. We use the label tag for making fields. So now I use the input tag. I give a tag to it. Actually input a single tag. There is not a closing tag of input. It was the text area which has a closing text area tag. Input space type is equal to email space class is equal to double quotes form dash control. So now I copy all this div and I paste it down. And here I write the password. Now once again I copy it. I have changed the second input type password. First one was email. So here I also change label for password. So here I write the file. Example. I should write only file. Now I also change its type file. Now I make one p tag and give it a class help dash block. Please choose file. So friend, I would like to tell you once again that simply first I made one h1 tag and I gave the heading basic form, and then I made the form tag which I close at the end, and inside this form tag I made a div and I gave it a class form dash group, which is the built-in class of Bootstrap, and inside this div I made one label tag, and I also used its attribute space for is equal to email. Mean this tag, the bottom input tag will be used for email, and I wrote here email address. First in HTML4 we used here just the p tag or h2 or h3 tag in spite of label, but here we use the label, and the same way I have copied all this div, and here I have changed the label for password in spite of email, and here I also changed its type password, and the third one I changed it is for type file and also type file, and after it I made one p tag and I gave it a class help dash block, and please choose file. Now I will copy it once again and here I will use the text area. So here I write label for text area, and in spite of input tag I will use here now text area tag. So I have deleted that input, and I have made a text area tag and closed it. Now I will give a class to it. Form dash control. Space rows is equal to 5. I mean this text area should have 5 rows. So I come out of this div. So friends, I would like to tell you that I have just pasted that div which I copied before, because I did it very fastly, so I have removed it. So now I will tell you that I once again paste it. So I have just pasted the before copied div. I write it label for select. Now here I will make a select tag and close it down. And I also give it a class to this select tag. The same class form dash control. Now as you know that we use option tag inside the select tag. I have closed this option tag and now I have duplicated that option tag India. Australia, United Kingdom. I have come out of this div. So first of all friend, I control S and I bring you to my Chrome browser to show you that what's happening here. So you can watch easily that this is the heading basic form and this is the label tag email address. This email address text is showing due to label text and this password is showing also due to label tag, and it is also for label tag. This is also label tag and this is inside the choose file input inside the file option, and this is the inside the input email option, and this is the password option, and this is the text area. And you know that when I click over it, there is a border around this input tag in the same way, because due to the form dash control classes, because that class is the built-in class of Bootstrap. So you know this style is showing, and this is the option tag select list Pakistan, India, Australia, and this is also due to that form dash control class. And you are watching that this kind of beautiful form has been built due to the Bootstrap. So now I go back to my Notepad++ code editor and I copy once again only one div and I paste it here. So this time I will change this class. In spite of form dash group, I will write here checkbox. I have also deleted that input tag. And inside the label, I have made one input tag and I give it a type is equal to double quotes checkbox. Yes, me. And now I will make one button and I close that button. I give it a type submit. Type is equal to double quote submit. Also give it a class btn space btn dash primary. Submit. Now I go to my Chrome browser and I refresh this page. So friend, you can easily, this is the checkbox and this is the submit button which is showing here. So friend, in this way you can very easily make the basic form with the assistance of Bootstrap by using Bootstrap. And this is the option tag, select tag, inside the select is option tag. So friend, this video has become enough lengthy. Now I will come back in next video and once again I will begin to do work right from here.